Okay, today we're going to be talking about amps and earth batteries. This is an earth battery made with a water cell and salt. I added salt to this one. Salt water is the best option. I still count it as a natural material due to the oceans, and I still think that should be part of the final build of whatever it does, whatever we can come up with using telluric energy. And you can see now it's on full amps. Like this is set up for amps, and I'm getting 0.022 amps, not milliamps, amps. Now that's pretty simple to do the math. You say if you want to know how many of these cells you need to make 1 amp, you say 1 amp equals X times 0.022, and that's going to give you roughly. Earlier it was running 17. I guess more salt is dissolved. We're running around 56 cells. Now I'm going to show you another trick about amperage. You really won't believe this, but it's the positive terminal, the positive terminal material that determines the amperage, the current. And I added one more carbon rod, as it's a carbon and magnesium setup. Sorry, I didn't tell you that earlier. Carbon and magnesium. I added one more carbon rod, and it moved up our amperage. I added one more. There we go. It'll just keep incrementally going up as more carbon I add. Kind of fascinating. I don't know the principle involved that causes it, but here I'll add a couple more. I have a few of them. We're at 30, 40, we just jumped to 40. So I practically doubled this thing. No, it's finicky, it'll freak out. But too close now, it's fine. But it's just showing that it does go up. Now it is an earth cell and water, and it does. But there you go. And I'm not sure what the principle is that causes that, but it's fascinating. Because I could add all the magnesium I want and nothing will change. Or at least that's how the aluminum works when I tested it with aluminum. I'm sure it works the same way. But now we're at 0.031 amps. So now you can build this. This demonstrates the fact that we could build this all as one big cell and get our full amp. Instead of having tons of little ones all wired together, we could build one big one with the appropriate amount of carbon. Mind you, it'll be a lot of carbon to get that up to 1, or to, let's say, 100 amps to make it, something usable. But it's worth it. I think in a big government power plant, it's totally worth it. They have the money and resources to build these.